a part of it, education, I value education. That's probably why I've studied the way I've studied. It's a good thing to have. But I think when it comes to personal finances, we really need to apply ourselves. And this is because, and I'm sure as a financial education influencer, is what I am calling you, Andiswa.
Thank you. I've never been called that before.
You've read somewhere, take it, receive it. You've read in the financial education literature that personal finances are probably 20%, maths, right? And the mechanics, and 80% is basically behavior, right? And that is very true, right? Yes, the academic part plays a role in understanding maths, in understanding, personal finances, concepts like your balance sheets, income statements, having a budget, etc. So that does contribute. But if you think about it, 80% is a very big portion or big piece of the pie, right? And that's where a lot of work has to go in. And if you think about a person's behavior, for instance, it's something that you develop over time. It's something that is basically embedded in your unconscious mind. And this is the coach in me speaking, right? And I always like to make the example of your money classrooms. This is what we all as professionals need to sort of revisit, to say, let me revisit my money classrooms. And my money classrooms are basically, for most of us, probably are our homes, the places where we developed, our money personalities and our money beliefs, the things we believe about money. There is a lot of things that you pick up from your parents about money that you don't realize, but you end up making those decisions as a professional, right? There are a lot of for instance, there is a reason why you are stingy, Andiswa, or you are extremely generous. There is a reason why you are scared of money, or you think money is evil, or you think money is a tool, it is an enabler. It comes from somewhere. And I think each and every one of us should be in a position to go back and revisit those money classrooms and ask ourselves, actually, with the financial decisions that I took when I started working, right? Were they mine, or were they very much influenced by my money classroom, by my home, by the people that I spend, most of my time with?
Yeah, I definitely agree with you. And it makes so much sense that it's 80% behavior, right? And I think that would explain a lot of reasons why we make the decisions that we do. Because sometimes it's not that sometimes it's lack of knowledge, and we'll dive into that. And sometimes it's not. Sometimes you do have the knowledge and the experience, but somehow there's something in you that just refuses to change, or refuses to action. And that can be driven by behavior as well.